This is Infitek new MDS300, an entry-level microwave digestion system with a built-in method library for ready-to-use operation. It delivers high cost effectiveness with no need for consumable safety parts like membranes or screws. The HP10 vessel is designed to digest difficult sample types under high pressure. The GT400 vessel is used for conventional samples, offering more digestion positions. Its user-friendly design allows for simple, one-handed vessel loading. The built-in method library greatly facilitates method development for all users. System checkup, run initiation, and execution are all at your fingertips. The heating program and power consumption are in full real-time display.